Have you ever had an experience that was so amazing that you could not believe you were lucky enough to be a part of it? Have you ever tried to explain this most amazing experience to someone else, but discovered that there were simply no words that could describe it? Imagine what it would be like to actually have an amazing experience while learning business and investing principles that made you more successful, more productive, more profitable. Hi, I'm Wayne Morgan, and that's exactly what we do. Most people love to learn. Attending a boring lecture isn't learning, it's just boring. What would you think if I told you you could learn to be a world-class negotiator, a high-performance team builder, and a top-notch CEO in 2 days? Well, you can, and you will have an amazing experience while learning all this with no boring lectures. Come discover what you know and what you still need to learn by playing games that simulate the real world. It's so amazing I can't even describe it. The Principles of Business. You can register here. I'll see you in class.